Morning, all the fifth standard scholarship student, and welcome to Murde Sarsa Academy. Okay, here concept is a power. Okay, last time we have seen perimeter. We have to just revise. Perimeter means sum of all the outside length. Okay, then this is a rectangular. Perimeter of rectangular is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, is 2 into length 6 plus 4 is 6 into 10 20 centimeter. Okay, then in this video we will see area. Means what is the difference between area and perimeter? Perimeter means just measuring the outside length. Okay, and area means space occupied by these closed figures. Means if you have seen the red marks, this is the area of these closed figures. Means actually this space is occupied. Okay, red area is occupied by this rectangular figure. Means this is a rectangular, therefore area of rectangular is equal to length into breadth. Means length is 6 into 4 is equal to 24 square centimeter. Because unit of perimeter is centimeter, we have to just add all the sides, therefore only centimeter. Here in area we multiply length into breadth, therefore simultaneously we multiply centimeter into centimeter, therefore centimeter square, or while writing we will write square centimeter. Means meter into meter, meter square is square meter, square kilometer. Means unit of area is square centimeter, square meter, square kilometers, and area unit of perimeter is centimeter, meter. Those unit I have given is perimeter. Understood? Means area, perimeter means this blue line only, and area means this red area. In our daily life we have seen, this is, if consider this is our house, we need to plot a carpet on hall. How much carpet we will require for 6 by 4 hall? Means if we need the cover all the space, then we need to calculate area. Understood? If I cover this whiteboard by one of the cloth, then how much cloth I required for covering this whiteboard? Then I will calculate the area of this whiteboard. Okay, if I required only this strip, side strip, then I will calculate the perimeters. Okay, understood? Perimeter is compound wall. Just remember, this is the compound and area covered by the compound. This is the area. Okay, outside the house and inside house. Okay, means this is most of the times they ask the how much tiles, how much tiles are required to cover 6 into 4 square 6 into 4 meter hall. Okay, that time we required area. Okay, this is the rectangular. Same way, another closer figure, we know the square. Perimeter of square means 4 into side, means 4 into 4 16 centimeter or meter. Okay, and area of square means square of sides, means 4 square 16 square centimeter. Okay, understood the concept of or difference of perimeter and area? The questions from the previous paper. First question, length and breadth of rectangular are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Okay, they have given a rectangular of length 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Respectively means first thing given to the length, second is breadth. Okay, what will be the area of square? They have asked what will be the area of square. Okay, whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of given rectangular. They have asked area of square, but they have given another information that perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of given rectangular. Okay, this is very special question. They have given a rectangular, okay, and ask the area of square, and they have given a perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangular. Then we start with the perimeter of given rectangular. Okay, perimeter of rectangular. Perimeter of rectangular is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is 12 plus 8 means 2 into 20 is 40 centimeter is perimeter of rectangular. Okay, this same perimeter is equal to perimeter of square. Therefore, perimeter of square is also 40 centimeter. We know the formula of perimeter of square is 4 into the side is equal to 40. Therefore, side is equal to this 4 goes to opposite goes to this side, then it is a division, means 10 centimeter. This is a one side of square. Therefore, area of square is equal to side square. One side is 10, 10 a square means 100 square centimeter. Okay, understood? First, read the question very carefully. They have given a rectangular information and asked the area of square. For that, they give the information that perimeter of rectangular is equal to perimeter of square. Then first thing we have to calculate the perimeter of rectangular. Then this perimeter is equal to perimeter of square. Okay, from this formula we calculate the one side of square. Okay, from that if we get the one side of square, then area of square is equal to side square means 10 square centimeter. Okay, make the screenshot and comment I am clear. Comment I am clear. I am clearing the concept. Concept is a power. Second question. A hall with length 48 meter and breadth 12 meter requires 64 square shaped tiles. What will be the perimeter of each tiles? Okay, they have given a rectangular hall length and breadth, and it requires 64 square shaped tiles, and we want to calculate the perimeter of each tiles. Okay, first this type of question means they ask, first thing we will calculate the area of rectangular. Okay, area of rectangular is equal to length into breadth means 48 into 12 carbon multiplication 6 4 into 12 into 4 48 plus 9 576 square meter. This is the area of rectangular. Here we want to remember one formula is number of tiles is equal to area of hall, here hall or any floor, upon area of tiles. Okay, from this we know the area of tiles. From that we calculate the perimeters. They have given a number of tiles 64. Okay, area of hall is 576 upon area of tiles. How we calculate? If this term we take the here and this term, it becomes divisor. Therefore area of tiles is equal to 576 upon 64 is equal to 16 डिवाइडेशन होता है 60 into 4 64 16 into 3 48 and 16 into 6 96 4 into 9 square meter. This is the area of tiles 9 square centimeter meter. They have given a square shaped, therefore area of square shaped tiles is equal to 9 square meter. Area of square means side square is equal to 9 square meter, means we want to one side is equal to 3, square root of 9 is 3 meter, and we want to calculate the perimeter of each tiles. Therefore perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side 4 into 3 meter means 12 meter. Okay, option number 4. This is asked for 2018. Okay, make a screenshot. Remember this formula. If they have given number of tiles, they most of the sometimes they have given a area of tiles. We want to calculate the number of tiles. Remember this formula. Question: a rectangular field having length 855 meter and breadth 205 meter was sold at rate 400 rupees per meter. What is the selling price of that field? Okay, this type of problem we must calculate the area first. Okay, in daily life also, if we want to purchase a flat or plot, they tell the length and breadth of that flat or that plot, and they tell the price of one square centimeter price. From that we want to calculate the whole square centimeter price. Okay, first thing we want to calculate the area of rectangular. Okay, area of rectangular means length into breadth means 855 into 205. Okay, you know the 3 number multiplication. Here 855 into 205 multiply 5. Next is 0. Take the zeros. Then for multiplication of 2 we add 2 zeros for these two numbers and multiply by 2. Okay, and addition 5 7 2 5 17. Therefore area of rectangular is 1,75,275 square meter. Okay, 1,75,275 square meter, and they have given a rate 400 per square meter, and if rate is 400 per meter, then we want to calculate the how much rate required for 1,75,275 square meter. Means multiply this into 400. Multiplication of 1,75,275 into 400. It is very simple. Take these 2 0 and multiply by 4. 4 into 5 20, 4 into 7 28 into 2 30. Okay, value is 7 crore 1,10,000. Option number 2. Okay, make the screenshot and comment I am clear. Okay, पेरेंट्स लाईक रिक्वेस्ट आहे, जर तुम्ही एखादा फ्लॅट किंवा प्लॉट विकत घेणार असेल तर अशा टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम जे आहेत ते मुलांना सोडवायला द्या. जी काय मग मुलांना काय वाटेल की हे जे काय प्रॉब्लेम आहेत, हे जे काही क्वेश्चन आहेत ते रिअल टाईममध्ये सुद्धा यूज होतात. त्यामुळे त्यांचा मॅथ्समधला इंटरेस्ट वाढेल. ओके, फक्त अशा प्रकारची गणितं आपल्याला स्कॉलरशिपलाच नाही तर जीवनात सुद्धा गरजेची आहेत. ओके, मॅथ्स त्यामुळं मुलांचा मॅथ्सकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन बदलेल. म्हणजे मॅथ्स फक्त एक्झामसाठी यूज करायचं का, तर अशा प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला रिअल लाईफमध्ये सुद्धा गरजेचे आहेत. सर्व पेरेंट्सनी अशा टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम मुलांना डेली लाईफमध्ये सोडवण्यासाठी द्या. त्यांचा इंटरेस्ट वाढेल, मॅथ्सबद्दलचा जो काही अप्रोच आहे तो चेंज होईल. आणि मॅथ्स इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. ओके, कमेंट मॅथ्स इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. Subscribe and share to your friends and family to clear the concept of maths. Okay.